Hi everyone and welcome to Amico Academy. So under communication skills series today I'm going to talk about nurturing public speaking skills in kids. I'm Chetna Singh and kids and parents life coach. So public speaking is such a common fear, that is present not only in children but in adults also. But we can just with little efforts, we can help our children learn this public speaking skill, and they can be a very good communicator. They can be a very good public speaker. They can be a very confident public speaker. So this video will help you as a teacher, as an educator, to build to develop these skills in your students. So you can ask your children, like, you want to learn how to speak with confidence, yet struggle with anxiety in front of an audience. So not only, in front of a large audience, but sometimes this is a struggle for many of the children. They do not want to speak up in their classroom also, within their classroom also, in front of their classmates also. If the answer is yes, then you are not the only one experiencing this. So don't worry. Unexpectedly, a significant number of people, regardless of their accomplishments, their success, their age, this is some, very common fear of phobia. Public speaking is a very common phobia. The good news is that the mastering art of public speaking is a skill that can be learned and developed through time. You may overcome the difficulties connected with public speaking and start on a journey of growth and empowerment by consistently practicing and gradually developing confidence. So this is all about how how much confident you are, how good is your self-esteem. These all things really count if you want to be a good public speaker. So here what we can do this activity with children, and this activity can be done, again and again, maybe, twice in a month or thrice in a month. So the name of the activity is storytelling adventure. So we can create such more activities that will be really fun. Children will also, enjoy doing these activities, and along with it, they will learn how they can speak confidently in front of the public. So the objective of all of this activity is to help kids develop confidence in public speaking and storytelling while having fun and engaging in creative expression. So the idea behind this is, they need to, enjoy the activity. They need to have fun during the activity, and also they will become more confident about themselves, and they will start speaking in front of their, maybe classroom or maybe in their, within their school. So what are those materials which may be needed? These are just optional, but yes, if you want to make it like a fun activity or so that your children will enjoy, then these are recommended. So costumes and props can be, collected. A variety of story prompts written on slips of paper, timer, small stage area. So you can start it within the classroom also. So the instructions are like, begin by discussing with the kids what public speaking is and why it is important. Emphasize that it is about sharing ideas and stories with others clearly and confidently. You can even share some examples of famous speakers to inspire them. And here, you can share your own example, like what you did in your childhood, whether you were a confident public speaker or you were also, a little bit, yeah, hesitant or shy when it comes to speak in front of public. So these are some of the things you can share and make it a comfortable environment for the children so that they can relate, with your story or with, with someone else's story. So warm up activities like, you need to give them 2 minute talk time. Divide the kids into pairs. Give each pair a random object, maybe a topic or an object you can, give them. Each child will have 2 minutes to speak about the object without stopping. This exercise helps them get comfortable speaking in front of a small audience. So this is just a warm up activity where you can give them anything, like you can randomly pick up anything from your classroom, like pen, fruit, book, their lunch boxes, blackboard, chalk, anything you can pick up, or anything you can, ask children to think about, like their favorite game, their favorite cartoon, their favorite person, so that they can talk about that person, or so that they can talk about that particular topic, and they become really comfortable. Creative story prompts. Have a collection of story prompts written on slips of paper. These prompts can be something like a magical adventure in a jungle. So these are some of the examples you can give your own. A journey to outer space, holidays, work vacations, a trip to somewhere, a hill station. These kind of prompts you can give to the children, so that the children will, pick up any prompt randomly. Costume and prop time is optional, but yes, if you do it, then it will be really enjoyable. Provide a selection of costumes and props related to the chosen story prompt. This steps adds an extra layer of fun and creativity to the activity. Kids can dress up and use props to immerse themselves in their chosen story theme. So this is optional. You can do it or leave it. Preparation time. Now give the kids about 5 minutes to think about their story. Jot down a few key points or ideas and rehearse their introduction. Okay, give them a 5 minute of time so that they can prepare well, or you can, ask them to prepare from home as well, so that you can give them some topic and ask them to prepare for next day. Storytelling performance, gather everyone in the theater area, whether in an auditorium, or if you want to do it in a small scale, maybe you can do it in the class only. Each child will take turns coming up to the stage and delivering their story based on the chosen prompt. Set a timer for 3 to 4 minutes for each child's performance. Encourage them to speak clearly, use expressive gestures, and maintain eye contact with the audience. See, these are some of the gestures that you can teach children, in advance, like when you are talking, look into the eyes of the people around, and you can make different gestures. Your body language should be, confident. You should not look like you are nervous. These kind of things you can make them learn before. Positive feedback and applause. After each child's performance, no matter how he has performed, have the audience provide positive feedback and applause. This encourages a supportive and encouraging atmosphere. So no matter how well or the child has performed, you need to appreciate the child, you need to applaud for the child so that the child get motivated. Okay, now it comes to reflection and discussion. Along with the positive feedback, if you think that this child needs more improvement, you can tell everything where he was lacking in a positive way, so that he can, become motivated. He can get encouraged by your words. Once all the kids have had their turn, gather them to reflect on the experience and ask questions like, how did you feel before and after your performance? Obviously, most of the students would be feeling nervous before the performance. And after the performance also, some children would be either feeling very good, happy with their performance, and some would be like, they are not so happy. They would be not very much satisfied with their performance. What strategies did you use to keep calm while speaking? So this question is for everyone, and all those students who really perform very well, you can ask them to answer this question, like how you kept yourself calm while you were speaking. You were so calm, composed, and you were speaking very clearly. Did you enjoy dressing up and using props? So you can add your own question here according to your own need. Now we come to improvement round. Give the kids a chance to apply feedback and try again. This time they can perform the same story or different one, incorporating the suggestion they receive. Now, as a teacher, you have to give feedback. You have to be their critic also, but in a positive way. You don't have to demotivate child by saying that you are not good. Okay, you always have to say that you were very good, but yes, you can do much better. And if a child comes to you and says that I want to perform again because I think my performance was not very good, then you should always welcome those children, and you can give them time, or maybe in next week, or a next chance, so that they can perform second time, right? Now we come to the closing. After this activity, you have to congratulate all the kids on their brave performances. See, public speaking is really a tough job, and it is very brave to perform in front of, even if it is in front of their class. Reiterate the importance of practice and self-confidence when it comes to public speaking. Encourage them to continue practicing their speaking skills in everyday situation. By combining storytelling, dress up, and public speaking, this storytelling adventure theater activity makes learning public speaking engaging, creative, and enjoyable for kids. So this activity can be done again and again so that each child will get opportunity to speak up, in front of classroom, the whole classroom, or maybe in the auditorium in front of the whole school, and they would get more, confident. They would learn so many things, and they will, really enjoy public speaking. So this activity should be started from a very young age, so that by the age, children, when they reach certain age, like when they come to 12, 13 years of age, they would be already, confident to speak in front of public. So this activity can be done with 5 years and plus. Okay, this was all for today. I hope you like this video. You can, write your suggestion, give us your suggestion in the comment box. And this was all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.